This is your host Sunny Bhatia from Tele Online. Today we are going to talk about 7 myths about cloud computing and Tele on cloud. So what I have seen or experienced is that many people have so many myths about cloud computing and Tele on cloud that they are not fully aware about what is cloud computing and what are the benefits of cloud computing, or what is Tele on cloud, or how their data is secured. So many people have myths which they are not clear about, so they are not going for cloud computing. So let us clear them, let us see what are the myths, and let us see what is the truth. So the first myth is, I don't know what the cloud is. Now many people say, I don't know what is the cloud, but truth is you are probably using it already. Now, how cloud technology is simply a remote access computing with all the required hardware and software stored in a remote location. That's internet based software application to you and me. So, if you use email, online banking, or social media, you are already using the cloud. Now, many of you are having a Gmail account, all your mails are stored there only. You have a 15 GB of data which is being stored on the cloud only. So today all your mails have a sensitive information which is there on the cloud. So you are keeping your data on the cloud already. In a social media, on a Facebook account, you are keeping every information about yourself, about your personal life. You are keeping everything on the cloud. So this is a myth that you don't know what the cloud is. You are using the cloud already. Now the second myth is the cloud isn't secure. Many people say that what will happen to my data, my cloud is not secure, there is so much hacking happening, but the security in the cloud is likely to be tighter than your existing system. Now, when you have a single computer or you have a server machine on which you are putting your company's data or your sensitive data, a cloud has a far better security than what you can personally manage. Cloud security is improving all the time, and in most of the case, cloud vendors have the data encryption functionality and security procedures which are more stringent and more advanced than those of their clients. So, saying that cloud is not secure is totally a myth. While cloud is more secure as they have more inbuilt and standardized encryption procedures and security procedures to run their systems. Since they have to run so many vendors, so many customers, they need to have the advanced systems, security systems in place. So that is a myth that the cloud isn't secure. Now the third myth is that the cloud is expensive. Now this is also, people say that cloud is expensive thing. A cloud technology services can actually save you the money. Now you don't have to spend on hardware, you don't have to spend on software licenses, you don't have to spend on power backups, internet, everything that you need to maintain is saved by cloud services. So in the case of Tele on cloud, I take a simple example. An average single user Tele on cloud costs around 9,000 to 10,000 rupees a year. Now, in most of the cases, the license Tele is part of the cloud services, cloud user, and you don't need to purchase Tele license for that. Now, what happens is, in case you purchase your own Tele and run as a single user system, first it is every year there is around 4,200 charges for upgradation of the software, and then it is not accessible to you from anywhere. You don't have a anywhere data access for the single user Tele that you are buying. So if you put your data on cloud, you will have anywhere access, and in 9 to 10,000 uh, almost some additional money, you will have a great advantage of moving to the cloud services. Now the fourth myth is that cloud comes in one size only. That means that if I take some configuration and I am in one size, I am fixed in that size only. While the truth is it's flexible, it's modular and can grow with your business. So suppose today you have a server which is having a 4 GB of RAM and dual core processor. Tomorrow you want a 4 core processor and 8 GB or 16 GB of RAM. So you can very easily upgrade your hardware or upgrade your any services that are there. So the cloud doesn't come in one size, it is more modular and more flexible. You, as your demand increases, you can increase the size of your services. So this myth is also not true. Now the fifth myth is that you can get stuck in the cloud. That means that I cannot move out of the cloud. Once I have data there, I will not be able to move out. Being logged, I will be logged in with the service provider. Now that is also a myth, because the data deployed in a cloud environment is very easily exportable, and you can export the data, you can take the backup of the data at your end. So you have lot of options available to avoid being locked. So all good cloud providers offer seamless integration to move data in and out. So like in our cloud, you can take the data backup any point of time. So it is not restricted. So any time you can take the data backup and you will have the data with you also. So this is also a myth and it is not a truth. Then is cloud technology is unreliable and I could lose my data. The cloud will do a better job of backing data than your current system. Now, many times in my 25 years of experience, I have seen people losing their data because they don't take consistent backups. And I don't think seeing this video or you will have in your company a consistent backup systems with which you are taking a backup on daily basis. And I can relate many people who have lost their data with ransomware attacks and other kind of viruses, or many a times their accountant or their personal staff had destroyed their data or deleted their data for which they have lost their data. While on cloud your data is secure, the backups are there, the consistent backups are there, so it is very difficult that you lose your data. And second, you can export your data at your end also, so it is recommended that you take the backup from the cloud. So the myth is not true that the cloud technology is unreliable and you could lose your data. Rather, it is more secure, your data is more protected there in the cloud technology. Now the last myth is that the cloud is too complex. They say the cloud is too complex, while this is a myth created by the in-house your IT managers, that there is a complexity regarding data storage, users access and other applications. While it is very user friendly, there are dashboards, informative graphics, security systems are in place. So it is very simple, processes are there and complete information is available about the data access. So saying that cloud is too complex is a myth created by IT managers, in-house IT managers, that there all your in-house processes, that the cloud computing is too complex. Now I give you an example of my company. We being 100% cloud, we have 95 or 100% of data on cloud. So the final thought is the idea of cloud computing might still seem daunting to many people, but we as a company, like I said, we use 100% cloud technology. When I say 100% cloud technology, that means that we have our data on cloud. So financial data is a tally on cloud services that we have. And example of it is last year when the lockdown happened, my accounts person is from Himachal Pradesh, and he was in Himachal till October. So from April till October he was in Himachal, and from there he was handling all the billing, all the receipts, all my banking, all was happening from Himachal. He was not there present in our organization at that point, and from Himachal he was working from home and managing all the things from that point. So we are totally adopted to cloud technology, and over a period of time you will also be adopting it. There is no reason to fear from it, there is no reason to escape it. It is always better that you adopt the latest technology early, so that when the things are adopted and you are not late in the thing. And with the lockdowns and people's movement being restricted in this time, pandemic time, the cloud is the only way with which you can make your data accessible to the people who are working from home, who are uh, who are there not able to come to the local physical premises. So it is always a good thing to have your data or cloud services with which you can keep your business on and seamless. I'd like to thank you for listening to me. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.